Hello my fellow crocheters, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy my content, please like, share, subscribe. It all helps tremendously in this wild world of YouTube. Today let's crochet this pattern. As you see, it's very textured and very fun, and the back is pretty flat and just something interesting to make. So let's start with a slip knot as always. And you're going to need to chain multiples of 6 plus 3. So we're going to start with the foundation of the row of double crochets. So into your 4th chain from the hook, put a double crochet, and then all the way to the end. This row is also going to be a part of foundation, so chain 1, turn, and single crochet into every stitch all the way to the end. And now you have 2 rows of foundation, double crochet and single crochet row. And now we're going to start on the pattern. So this is going to be your first row of the pattern. So chain 3 and turn. You're going to skip 3 stitches, and into the 4th you're going to be putting a cluster of 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets. And remember, this is your first row of the pattern, and your pattern repeat is going to be rows from 1 to 4 without including your first rows of double crochet and the single crochet. From here, skip the next 5 stitches. So into your 6th, you put the same cluster in. So you're doing exactly the same thing, 3 double crochets, chain 1, and another 3 double crochets into the same stitch. And repeat the same pattern all the way to the end. So you skip 5 stitches, cluster, and then after your last cluster, just put a double crochet in the very last stitch. Okay, this is your first row of the pattern. So for the second row, you're going to chain 1, turn, and put a single crochet into that first space. Okay, now we're going to do something a little different. We're going to turn to the back of your work, and we are going to find your last double crochet of the last row, and around the post of that stitch you are going to put 4 single crochets. It sounds a little complicated, but it's actually very simple. So 4 single crochets there, and then you find the last double crochet, and also do the same thing and put 4 single crochets around the post. Now single crochet from the front, facing the front of the pattern, and then repeat. Go back around that double crochet post and put 4 single crochets in there, and the same thing around that double crochet post. And repeat all the way to the end. And here in your turning chain, you're going to put 1 single crochet. I just put the single crochet in this space. Okay, this is what it's going to look like after 2 rows of the pattern. So for the 3rd row, you are going to chain 4. Okay, now you're going to find all your chain 1 spaces in those clusters. So technically you're working into the 1st row of the pattern. And you're going to put 2 puff stitches with 3 chains in between. So here's your first puff stitch. Pull the yarn through all the loops on a hook. Close the puff stitch. Now chain 3 and another puff stitch in the same space. Oops, that's the thing I hate most about the puff stitches. Okay, I'm gonna just pick it right up without having to start it over. Okay, finish up the puff stitch, and this is what it's gonna look like. Then chain 1 and repeat into the next chain space. So doing exactly the same thing. and put a double crochet into that very last stitch. Your row 3 completed. For row 4, you're going to chain 1, put 2 single crochets into that first space, and then 5 single crochets in between the 2 puff stitches. And that's going to be your pattern. 2 single crochets, then 5 single crochets in between the puff stitches. So 2 here, 5 here, 2 here, 5 here, and 2 at the very end. And your next row is pretty much a repeat of your first row. But what you're going to do, you're going to put the clusters, you're going to find the middle right here. So find your middle stitch, and then find your middle stitch there, and just put your clusters like you did in the first row, and there you have it. And let me know what you would do with this pattern. Would you make a blanket? And just thank you for watching.